It's nice to be back in this room. This is one of my favorite rooms. And this is a song I wrote that's called Rat Race. And I wrote it last summer by Barton Springs. And I'm gonna raise the mic, sir. Hanging out in a sunny place. I'm just a cat in a rat race, baptized by participation. What kind of fool do you take me for? Why sneak in the back when you'll invite me through the front door? You've got an itch and the cure is my devotion. Settle down, what you're looking for. I've got an answer, but you probably won't swallow it. You're good looking, that I can't ignore, but you're addicted to the drama and a dick to the mirror. I can't give you my confidence. I had to make it by myself for it to make sense. I think you're clingy and it's clogging my attention. But send the pic in just a party hat. This pizza boy will bake a pie 'cause he likes that. Your sexy dance sure elicits a reaction. Give yourself a wedgie by the river and I won't look at all the skin that folds around such a cheeky nook. I'd like to open it and gently peruse that book about the portal of light. So settle down, what you're looking for. I've got an answer, but you probably won't swallow it. You're good looking, that I can't ignore, but you're addicted to the drama and a dick to the mirror. So here we are, it's just the two of us. We're feeling deeper separation with the deep trust. Lean into lava as we loosen our suspicions. You want to know why I'm so serious? Because I want to live my life like a first kiss. The present of the moment seldom has division. So settle down, what you're looking for. I've got an answer, but you probably won't swallow it. You're good looking, that I can't ignore, but you're addicted to the drama and a dick to the mirror. Settle down, what you're looking for. I've got an answer, but you probably won't swallow it. You're good looking, that I can't ignore, but you're addicted to the drama and a dick to the mirror. Alright, well, welcome to the soiree, everybody. This is called Fate Soiree. I had no AC in my car.
Yeah, that's good too.
I'll just scratch myself off.
I know, I'm very sticky at the moment. Alright, this is called Fate Soiree. Take another sip of my coffee, strumming on the kitchen floor. You step around me so softly, my love. This is what I'm living for. Took a mini trip in Sedona on on our way to Santa Fe. Your heart is broken, I'll tow you to love. Life is a fate soiree, take a playmate for rain or shine. What a dream to dream beside you tonight. We can take it slow to impatience. I've been waiting all my life. There are only infinite ways into love. Soul to soul we recognize this is not a fickle attraction. Never felt like this before. There's nothing holding me back but the love. Life is a fate soiree, take a playmate for rain or shine. What a dream to dream beside you tonight, together alone. We bathe in the unknown. The path that led us here is fading away. Together alone, we swim in the unknown. The path before us wants to play, play. Life is a fate soiree, take a playmate for rain or shine. What a dream to dream beside you tonight. Life is a fate soiree, take a playmate for rain or shine. What a dream to dream beside you tonight. Thank you so much. It's such a pleasure to play for people that are listening.